1. Introduction. Hey there, welcome to our Cloud Security course. Today, we'll discuss the importance of cloud security for IT professionals and managers. First off, let's define what we mean by cloud security. Simply put, it's the practice of protecting your data and resources stored in the cloud. This can include securing your network and controlling access to your help to protect your data from breaches and other security threats. Now, as IT professionals and managers, we must understand the importance of cloud security. With more companies and businesses moving their operations to the cloud, it's more important than ever to protect our data and resources. Not only is this important for the company's bottom line, but it's also crucial for maintaining the trust of our customers and clients. 2. Cloud platforms. Now that we understand the importance of cloud security, let's look at the three major cloud platforms: Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud. Each platform offers its unique set of features and security capabilities, so it's essential to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each one. For example, Azure strongly focuses on security and compliance, while AWS offers a wide range of services and a pay-as-you-go pricing model. And Google Cloud is known for its scalability and its machine learning capabilities. So, as you can see, each platform has advantages and disadvantages. As IT professionals and managers, we must understand these differences to decide which platform is best for our company. 3. Identity and access management. Next up, let's talk about identity and access management. This is a crucial aspect of cloud security, as it allows us to control who has access to our data and resources. Each of the three major cloud platforms offers its tools and features for identity and access management. For example, Azure Active Directory is a popular choice for managing users and permissions on Azure. In addition, AWS has its Identity and Access Management (IAM) service, which allows us to control access to our resources on the AWS platform. And Google Cloud has its own Identity and Access Management (IAM) service, which enables us to control access to our resources on Google Cloud. So, as you can see, each platform has its own set of tools and features for identity and access management. So, it's essential that we understand these tools and how to use them to secure our data and resources appropriately. 4. Network security. Now, let's talk about network security in the cloud. This is another crucial aspect of cloud security, as it allows us to control access to our resources and protect our data from threats. Each of the three major cloud platforms offers its own set of tools and features for network security. For example, Azure has Azure Virtual Network, which allows us to create secure connections between our resources on Azure. In addition, AWS has a service called Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, which enables us to control access to our help on the AWS platform. And Google Cloud has its Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, service, which allows us to control access to our resources on Google Cloud. So, as you can see, each platform has its own set of tools and features for network security. So, it's crucial that we understand these tools and how to use them to secure our data and resources appropriately. 5. Data protection. Explanation of the importance of data protection in cloud security. Regarding data protection, one of the biggest concerns is data loss. Losing your data can be a major disaster for any organization, whether it's due to a natural disaster, human error, or a cyber attack. That's why it's crucial to have a solid data protection plan when using cloud services. Each central cloud platform offers a range of tools and features to help protect your data. Let's examine a look at what each forum has to offer. Azure Backup and Azure Site Recovery. Azure Backup is a service that allows you to create backups of your data and store them in the Azure cloud. This can be useful for disaster recovery or simply for keeping a copy of your data in a safe place. On the other hand, Azure Site Recovery is a service that can help you quickly recover your data in a disaster. It uses replication to create a copy of your data in a different location, so you can quickly switch over to the backup copy if something goes wrong. AWS Backup and AWS Database Migration Service. AWS Backup is a service that can help you create backups of your data and store them in the AWS cloud. It's like Azure Backup, but also includes a feature that allows you to schedule backups, so you can automatically create backups regularly. AWS Database Migration Service, on the other hand, is a service that can help you move your data from one database to another. This can be useful if you move to the cloud or upgrade your database software. Google Cloud Backup and Google Cloud Data Loss Prevention, DLP. Google Cloud Backup is a service that can help you create backups of your data and store them in the Google Cloud. It's like Azure Backup and AWS Backup, but it also includes a feature that allows you to schedule backups, so you can automatically create backups regularly. In addition, Google Cloud Data Loss Prevention, DLP, is a service that can help you protect sensitive data by detecting and redacting sensitive information. This can be useful if handling sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, PII, credit card numbers, and social security numbers. In conclusion, data protection is a vital aspect of cloud security. The services mentioned above by the three major cloud platforms can help you protect your data differently. Therefore, choosing the exemplary service for your organization and having a solid data protection plan is essential. 6. Compliance and auditing. In this section, we'll dive into compliance and auditing in the cloud. As enterprises migrate to the cloud, it's essential to ensure that you follow all the necessary regulations and standards. First, let's look at Azure. Azure Policy allows you to set and enforce policies across your Azure resources. This can help you ensure that you configure corporate resources following best practices and comply with various standards. Second, Azure Security Center also offers features for compliance and auditing, such as continuous security assessment and automated compliance reporting. Moving on to AWS, we have AWS Config. This service allows you to track and audit changes to your AWS resources over time. This can help you identify potential security issues and ensure that you configure resources correctly. Additionally, AWS Security Hub offers security compliance checks and automated compliance reporting. Finally, we have Google Cloud. Google Cloud Security Command Center allows you to monitor and manage security across your GCP environment. It also provides compliance checks and automated compliance reporting. In addition, Google Cloud Audit Logging will enable you to log and analyze events across your GCP environment. This can help you identify potential security issues and ensure that you configure resources correctly. 7. Conclusion. That's it for this course on cloud security. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of cloud security to the specifics of each powerful cloud platform. We hope you now understand better how to secure your cloud environment and keep your data safe. Additional resources. Azure documentation on security best practices, https://docs. Microsoft. com/NS/Azure/security/fundamentals/best practices. AWS Security White Papers, https://aws. Amazon. com/security/security resources/. Google Cloud Security Documentation, https://cloud. Google. com/security/docs/. References. Azure Policy. ND. Retrieved from https://docs. Microsoft. com/NS/Azure/governance/policy/overview. AWS Config. ND. Retrieved from https://aws. Amazon. com/config/. Google Cloud Security Command Center. ND. Retrieved from https://cloud. Google. com/security command center/. Google Cloud Audit Logging. ND. Retrieved from https://cloud. Google. com/logging/docs/audit/.